Okay, guys, I ordered the Insta Smile that everybody says doesn't work. I didn't get the bottoms, but I did start with the tops. They're in there. I can work with them. I can talk with them. All that, right? Don't mind my pimple. Pimple disclosure. Anyway, for me, in order for me to get them not so bulky, because they were like out here, I shaved them down with the grinder. I customized them. Now they're super thin, you see? But I actually shaved them down. So go buy you some. They do work. They just need to take some time to work with. The gums are natural looking too. They're not bright red. I feel like once I get my bottoms in, it'll be perfect. Go get some Insta Smile.